Namaskar, students. Now we will solve MCQs. Here, MCQ 11 of 3.3 is the same as question 4 of exercise 3. So here we will solve two MCQs and these two are same questions. First, see the question. What is the question? If A and B are symmetric matrices, you know symmetric transpose equal to the same matrix of same order, then AB minus BA is a blank. So options: skew symmetric matrix, zero matrix, identity matrix. So first of all, for the verification, let's find the transpose of AB minus BA, because if they are out of these two, it will be solved. Okay, so let's transpose of AB minus BA, this one. And we know the property of transpose of addition and subtraction. Transpose is applied to separately. So we apply separate transpose, AB transpose minus BA transpose. Now we know the product property of transpose. AB transpose is B transpose A transpose. We noted 10 times all these properties. Okay. So you have to remember this thing, that when we apply the transpose on product, the order of the matrix will be changed and it applies separately. So AB transpose equal to B transpose A transpose, and BA transpose is reverse, A transpose B transpose. Okay, now B transpose is B and A transpose is A, because A and B are symmetric matrices. So reason is that because A and B are symmetric, so B transpose is B and A transpose is A. See the definition of symmetric matrix. If A transpose equal to A, then A is symmetric, you know. A transpose equal to A. Similarly, B transpose equal to B, then B is symmetric matrix. So here both are symmetric. So if B transpose is B, A transpose A transpose A, B transpose B. Now minus common, so this is positive, this is negative. So transpose of this matrix equal to minus that matrix means skew symmetric. You know, in skew symmetric, if A transpose equal to minus A, then A is skew symmetric. So same thing happen. This matrix transpose equal to minus that matrix, mean the matrix AB minus BA is skew symmetric. This one. So A is the correct answer here. A is correct answer. Is that clear? Okay. Now next MCQ. If matrix A is cos alpha sin alpha minus sin alpha cos alpha, then A plus A transpose equal to I, identity matrix, if the value of alpha is blank. Now options: pi by 6, pi by 3, pi 3 pi by 2. So what property follow this matrix? A plus A transpose equal to identity matrix. So let's solve by using that property. A plus A transpose equal to identity. I write here A plus its transpose. You know now how to find transpose. First row, first column, for second row write in second column. So this is matrix A, this is matrix A transpose, matrix A transpose, addition equal to identity matrix. Now addition of corresponding element, cos alpha plus cos alpha to cos alpha minus sin alpha plus sin alpha 0, sin alpha minus sin alpha 0, cos alpha plus cos alpha 2 cos alpha. Is that clear? Equal to identity matrix. Now comparison, 0 equal to 0, 0 equal to 0, 2 cos alpha equal to 1. So what is cos alpha? 1 by 2, and 1 by 2 is the value of cos pi by 3. It means alpha is pi by 3. So what is the correct answer? B is the correct. Is that clear? So write down both MCQs twice. Thank you.